For those of you who are working to move to OER, I wanted to show you a new feature that Blackboard has using AI technology. This is a micro course about time management and priorities, and it is based off of the new OpenStax pre-college book. Managing your time and priorities is right here. It's this chapter. What I did for AI to auto-generate the modules is I cut and pasted that table of contents information, and then it created these learning modules based off of that information. You'll see here that there is a test at the end of each one of these. These tests are generated by AI, and then I used the questions in that pool to come up with the tests. So the way that that works, we will click on one of these, and at the bottom in your sandbox course, you'll notice that you can auto-generate questions. You can pick the type of question, and we're going to do Inspire Me, and we're going to pick 10 of them. Before I even got to that, it already generated some, and now we're going to generate again. And because this is a self-paced, on your own course, we're only going to use things that can be graded independently. When students achieve a certain grade, then the next module will open up. So we're going to pick some of these matching and multiple choice. We'll grab a few true false, and all of this is your choice, your action. So then I'm going to add the questions to the bank, and I'm going to move to the next piece, and again we'll auto-generate these questions, and then all of these will go into our bank for the quiz at the end of this little chapter. It'll take just a minute for it to generate, and you can generate as many times as you want. So if I wanted to generate 10 true false, then 10 matching, then 10 multiple choice, I could ask it to do that for me every time. You have to complete tasks to achieve your goals. If there are questions I don't like, or if I think they're tricky, I just don't pick them. So those are added, and it tells you at the top every time that the question bank is created. And we'll add this one as well. 10 questions. We'll let it inspire us. And Anthology is adding new AI tools, and those will be released in the next few months as well. But the modules and the AI question generation are two of the favorites. So we have these three from our information, our content here, and so we're going to go and create a test. And we're going to add the question pool. And then right here are all of the pools that we just created. And we'll go ahead and select all of these. We'll add those questions. And out of the pool, we only want them to do 4 of the questions. And this unit will be open for students to complete until the 31st, and we're going to give them unlimited attempts. All that is set. We're going to save that and make it visible to students. And we're just going to call this test, and then we'll rename it the exact same thing here with procrastination. So we can go back and edit, and we'll call it test. And then it'll save it. And there's our test. We created an entire test out of a pool, 15 questions in just under 4 minutes.